Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, your Apple ID and a charged phone. Once ready, try a force restart. This clears temporary lock states without data loss. For iPhone 8 and later, press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold side until Apple logo appears. For older models, use home plus side combos. Make sure you wait 30 seconds after the logo, if the lock persists. Avoid repeated passcode attempts, and move to a recovery approach with a computer. Once you connect to a computer, put the iPhone into recovery mode so Finder or iTunes can detect it. You choose Update first to reinstall iOS without erasing data. That often fixes software locks. If Update fails or device is disabled, choose Restore. This erases the phone so you can remove the lock. Make sure the computer stays connected and do not disconnect during the download and restore steps. Interruptions can force you into DFU mode and complicate recovery. You finish by setting up the device, restoring a backup, and re-establishing your passcode, biometric unlock, and Apple ID. Make sure Find My iPhone is re-enabled for security and that iCloud Sync completes before wiping anything else. If activation lock blocks setup, don't panic. It requires the original Apple ID or proof of purchase. Gather your receipt and contact Apple support. If the restore repeatedly fails, try a different USB cable or port, or use another.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.